What up, y'all? I'm Bokeh Bob, and today we're going to unbox the Realforce R3 TKL and check it out. Before we get started, I always like to make it clear that this keyboard was sent to me for review from mechanicalkeyboards.com. However, all opinions are my own and from my experiences using the keyboard. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's jump right into it. Alright, so this is my first Topre board, so I don't feel like I have the exact expertise on reviewing this chunker. I will say that the board is very easy to type on. It's super office friendly. It is Wi-Fi capable if your office allows that. And if you're into Topre or looking to check out a Topre board, it is a great board to add to your collection. I had a joy typing on it. One thing I noticed right off the bat was the rattling stabs. Now, I'm no Topre expert, but I'm sure there's a way you can open them up and lube them to reduce the rattle. This I would have to look further into. Other than that, as stated before, the board was a joy to type on, and I would recommend it if you're looking to get into Topre or try something out other than the traditional mechanical keyboard. The keyboard is pretty silent, as you heard from the sound test, so if that's your cup of tea, then go for it. Cheers to something a bit different on the channel. As always, check out some of my content here. Make sure to like and subscribe, and most importantly, have a good rest of your week. Bokeh Bob out.